Hi Polyglow family, I'm Len, one of the owners of Polyglow. And in this video, I want to take you through our maintenance and removal guide. It basically is an opportunity for us to talk about how to take care of Polyglow once you have it on, and to take you through just general cleaning to the annual maintenance application to finally the end of the life cycle of Polyglow, which is the removal and reapplication process. The very first thing you want to do is to inspect your vehicle. Now, today we're going to be using this trailer that's behind me. It's a painted aluminum trailer. We actually put Polyglow on it about 10 months ago. We're down in Florida in the hot Florida sun. It's humid, it's high heat conditions, and there's a high UV index. The reason why that's important is because when you apply Polyglow, you need to put more coats of Polyglow on. You're putting more UV inhibitors on there, and it's going to protect your vehicle for longer, and it's going to last longer. Now, the reason why we chose this painted aluminum vehicle to demonstrate today is because if you can do it on something like this, you'll have no problems doing it on gel coat. Painted aluminum is very similar. The process is very similar to painted plastics, and it's very similar to a clear coat. There are many RVs that are stick and tin RVs. They have what looks like a siding on the side. Generally, that's painted aluminum. You can apply this process to that. And you have your Class A vehicles, which have a clear coat on it. They're painted and then have a clear coat, very similar to a car or truck. That is also a process that is similar to what I'm about to take you through today. I do want to inspect this vehicle with you and show you what happens after 10 months in the sun. When we apply Polyglow to this painted aluminum structure, we put 10 coats on, and I have to say, it's in great condition. It's been sitting out in the sun, it's been used, and the Polyglow finish is not oxidized, it's not peeling off. There are no problems with it. And I want to show you that today. So let's quickly take a look at this painted aluminum structure. It's got 10 coats of Polyglow on it, and you can see it still has a shine on it. It's not oxidized. Now, there are some areas here where the paint was chipped before we applied Polyglow. That still looks good. Usually, Polyglow won't stick to bare aluminum. That looks like there's some other layer of paint underneath. Some of the decals are still holding strong, but you can still see the shine and the glare. There's a truck coming up here. You can see the reflection of the truck because Polyglow is still doing what it's supposed to do. It's holding strong. It's holding strong, and it looks great. So we did not apply it to the bare aluminum here. It's unnecessary, and it won't stick. But other than that, it looks great. Let's walk around the trailer a little bit more here. I just want to show the back where we applied 10 coats. Now, there might be, what you're looking for is damage in the Polyglow. You're looking for it to be oxidized. You might see some areas where it looks just dull and faded. There might be areas of staining. You know, in RVs, water runs off the roof and can stain the side of the RVs black. That's a very common problem. Boaters can pick up a lot of material from the waterways that stain the Polyglow and even the gel coat. But same thing can happen here. You can get runs and other stains in the material. So you want to look for oxidation, and you want to look for other blemishes like stains, scratches. Those are going to be really important. You got to look for those areas because you have to repair them before you apply the maintenance coats. And we're going to talk all about that today. This happens to be in really good shape. However, I'm going to put some artificial scratches in here and show you how to deal with that. The next thing we're going to do is talk about the products we're going to use today. So I'm going to come right back with our products.